Dear little one, our darling, we are eagerly waiting to welcome you to your new home, to your happy family. You are our future and the future of mankind.
Because life is precious, which is why we help you live in a world that is healthy, beautiful and disease-free. Innovations, inventions, discoveries, research and technologies come together at Ind-Swift Group. To transform human life to a healthy and a prosperous life. The Indian pharmaceutical industry is going through a transformative phase, and we believe in the conception of medicaments that accelerate the transformative stage into a developed platform. Ind-Swift is a Chandigarh-based pharmaceutical group established in 1983 with a mission of winning global customers through innovative pharmaceutical products. Three visionaries, Jains, Mehtas and Munjals, dedicated themselves to work for humanity's quest for longer, happier and healthier lives. With a turnover of $500 million, Ind-Swift Group has been ranked 35th among top Indian pharmaceutical companies and the most promising pharmaceutical group by IMS ORG. Ind-Swift is an ISO 9001-2008 WHO GMP certified and is listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange. At Ind-Swift, we ensure value for money by developing innovative therapies and processes to produce safe, effective and consistent quality products. Today, Ind-Swift is proud to be the second largest group in North India. Ind-Swift's product range includes active pharmaceutical ingredients and finished dosage forms. We at Ind-Swift are committed to maximize the wealth of its stakeholders on the one hand and to protect the interests of customers, employees and associates on the other. In furtherance of this objective, the company has internalized sound principles of corporate governance, incorporating the highest standards of professionalism, integrity, accountability and fairness.
Swift is the second fastest flying bird in the universe. We started our journey from 1984 and today 2011. Within all these years, from basically none to 1600 crores. This is what our story all about Ind-Swift. Our major focus specifically in pharma, backward and forward integration, and apart from pharma, we have entered into many verticals. We have entered into printing and stationery, in educations, in infrastructure, and in media and publications. And our future projects, which includes in the next coming 5 years, we are entering into the power generation. Those are greenfield projects. And apart from power generation, we are entering a bigger way into the medical educations, coming out of the 500-bedded general hospital with 250-bedded super specialty hospital, which is focusing specifically on liver transplantation, orthopedic treatments, dentistry and ophthalmology treatment. And apart from that, again greenfield projects coming into the dairy farming and agriculture. These are the major areas, and motel, hotel and resorts, which includes hospitality industry.
Ind-Swift Group's far-sighted vision meets accomplished big mission, and its quality and values take the group to unprecedented heights of glory and success. Ind-Swift Limited and Ind-Swift Laboratories Ltd, the flagship pharmaceutical companies of Ind-Swift Group in Chandigarh, India, setting up a strong base globally.
We started our journey around 25 years back. Since then, Ind-Swift is dedicated to work for humanity's quest for longer, happier and healthier lives. We have created name in pharmaceutical industry by ensuring value for money, delivering customer satisfaction, giving long-term profitability returns to our investors.
Ind-Swift Limited came into existence in 1986 as pharmaceutical business model is one of India's largest manufacturers of high-growth multi-segment pharmaceutical finished dosage forms. The company has state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities spread over an area of 12 lakh square feet conforming to the most stringent international norms WHO GMP, TGA Australia and UK MHRA. The company possesses a portfolio of 750 products with presence in high-growth therapeutic segments of cardiology, diabetology, antidepressant, anti-allergic, anti-infective, neurology and oncology with a nationwide distribution network. Ind-Swift Limited has a multicultural and multilingual workforce of more than 5,000 employees. Ind-Swift Limited markets its products through various marketing divisions which are Gynoswift, CardioSwift, Megaswift, Q10, Generic and Oncrit. Ind-Swift Limited has 50 offices in India. The current annualized capacity is 2,300 million tablets, 64 million ampules, 27 million vials, 84 million capsules, 18 million dermatological products, 62 million oral liquid bottles, 6 production units, finished dosage forms, GBU, Jawaharpur, Punjab, Samba, Jammu and Kashmir, Parvanu, Unit 1 and Unit 2, Himachal Pradesh, Baddi, Unit 3 and Unit 4, Himachal Pradesh.
We here at Ind-Swift treat our employees as family members and they are our biggest assets. We started with around 25 to 30 people 25 years back and today we have more than 5,000 employees that led us to success. We have best human resources practices. Our basic area of work here are overall grooming, job rotation, family welfare and corporate governance.
Today we command the research and development spawning facilities offered by our state-of-the-art drug formulations, chemical research and analytical development center, equipped with the latest equipments needed for combinational synthesis, ultra-modern HPLC and GC systems, etc. Our R&D achievements are taste masking technology of macrolides for the first time in India, development of sustained release process of Isox Supreme HCl tablets for the first time in India, development of nitazoxanide based formulations single and in combination with ofloxacin for the first time in India, development of mouth dissolving tablet technique, unique tablet in tablet technology, development of NDDS for old and new molecules, researching such Ayurvedic medicinal plants, those which show a promise in treating chronic ailments, conditions and lifestyle disorders, development of once daily of clarithromycin, development of liquid preparation of fexofenadine, pocketed 2 patents of clarithromycin and fexofenadine. Ind-Swift Limited markets its products through various marketing divisions. Ind-Swift has a strong prescribing doctors base of over 250,000 from gynecology, pediatrics, cardiology, diabetics, dermatology, ENT to dentistry, neuropsychiatry, gastroenterology, urology specialty, a strong marketing team of over 2,000 marketing professionals throughout the country, over 3,000 stockists, 500,000 retailers all over India, catering to over 600,000 customers, 50+ chain of CNF and offices across India. Ind-Swift Limited exports its products to more than 50 countries with the help of Global Business Unit, which started operations in 2007. The GBU is compliant to the GMP specifications of MHRA UK and TGA Australia. It has got approval of various drug authorities such as WHO Geneva, MOH UAE, TFDA Tanzania, NDA Uganda, DACA Ethiopia, Itochu, Japan. Ind-Swift Limited is developing and out-licensing its products to the UK, Europe, Canada, Australia with leading generic partners such as Teva, Mylan, Actavis, Stada and Ratio Farm. filed more than 680 dossiers in several countries. Presently, business negotiations are under process in Russia, the Philippines, Taiwan, Afghanistan, Malaysia, Costa Rica, Panama, Honduras, Venezuela, Peru, Guyana, Jamaica and Serbia. Ind-Swift Ltd has been the recipient of various prestigious awards. Prominent among them are IDMA Quality Excellence, winner of Pharma Pulse Award for 3 consecutive years, Bharat Udyog Ratan Award, Punjab Ratan Award, Ludhiana Management Association Award, memberships, PhD CCI, ASSOCHAM, CII, FIEO, FICCI, Pharmexil. Ind-Swift Ltd future targets are development of NDDS, development of non-infringing process, development of different nitazoxanide dosage forms, NCMR handling, drug regulatory affair and documentation, ANDAs for different countries, NDAs filing in India, patents filing after thorough scrutiny by attorneys, documentation for getting US FDA, R&D products, commercial samples, bioequivalence samples. New divisions coming up: OTC division, Herbal and Nutraceutical division. Ind-Swift Laboratories Ltd was established in 1995 as a backward integration move by Ind-Swift Ltd in joint venture with PSIDC. Commencing operations in 1997, Ind-Swift Labs has achieved amazing and consistent growth and qualitatively has emerged among the top pharmaceutical companies in the Indian pharmaceutical industry in a short span of 15 years of operations. Ind-Swift Laboratories employs around 3,000 employees, of which over 150 are scientists, technologists and other professionals. Ind-Swift Laboratories Ltd is today a globally recognized pharmaceutical company with core competencies in the development and manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredients and advanced intermediates.
Our business strategy has been a reconciliation of value and volume growth, a lower than the industry conversion cost and higher than the industry value addition, resulting into Ind-Swift emerging as the preferred choice for the partner of global leading pharma companies.
Joint ventures and subsidiaries. With Iran-based Hakim Fayachand Company considering the potential of the Middle East market. With a mission to provide the North American markets with high-quality, high-value pharmaceutical products and services, Ind-Swift Laboratories Ltd incorporated in 2004 a wholly owned subsidiary named ISL Inc. in Delaware, USA. Ind-Swift Laboratories Ltd established Meteoric Life Sciences Pty Ltd, Singapore, a subsidiary to help company expand its base across Southeast Asia. Ind-Swift Laboratories Ltd established a subsidiary to help the company reach out to the Middle East and African markets. Ind-Swift Middle East FZE, Dubai. Equipped with state-of-the-art quality testing equipment and well-trained personnel, Ind-Swift maintains strict quality control, storage to delivery in accordance with GMP and ISO 9002. Quality of product meets the respective requirement of USP, BP, EP, JP, etc. as per the international quality standards. Production units: ISLL, Dera Bassi, Punjab; ISLL, Samba, Jammu and Kashmir. Manufacturing facilities include 1,500,000 square feet covered area, 11 dedicated blocks operating as per US FDA guidelines, 500 stainless steel and glass-lined reaction vessels with capacity ranging from 50 to 6,000 liters, total volume 700 kiloliters, 3 automated fluidized bed coaters with capacity of manufacturing 3 metric tons of granules per month, CGMP pilot plant having 7 reaction vessels with capacities ranging from 250 to 1,000 liters. Total volume 3.63 kiloliters. Fully automated solvent recovery system. Biological wastewater treatment plant.
Ind-Swift Lab has grown its top line at CAGR of 25.57% over the last 5 years. Better product mix, innovative R&D, manufacturing practices, growing exports and shorter paybacks, which allows us to invest horizontally into new product development and vertical into capital expansion.
Research and development. 3 acres of area in Mohali, fully equipped with state-of-the-art analytical equipments including HPLCs, LC-MAS, GC-MAS, DSC, XRD, etc. Duly approved by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Dedicated facility with 8 synthetic labs, over 40,000 square feet research area, with best talent pool of scientists and researchers. Competent to work out on infringing processes, NDDS, dossiers, stability, data profiling, conceptualization of new molecules. Working on 10 new molecules with market size worth $6 billion. Involved in creating international opportunities and alliance for CRAMS. Successfully developed and marketed 15 products, analytical method developments and validations.
Developing a patented technology is a good scientific achievement, and when that patent becomes a huge commercial success, the achievement becomes manifold. Recently, we have tasted such success for one of our patented novel drug delivery systems, clarithromycin extended release tablet. This has inspired us to move further in this direction and achieve many more such milestones.
Achievements. Received US and EU patent for extended release dosage form of clarithromycin. Received European patents for the taste mask formulations of fexofenadine for pediatrics. Developed tasteless, directly compressible, fast dissolving fexofenadine carbono complex to be used in all dosage form of fexofenadine for all age groups. Developed soluble and stable macrolide citrate salts to be used in all solid dosage form of macrolide, especially in modified release forms. Developed nitazoxanide, an antidiarrheal drug, for the first time in India after successful clinical trials and bioequivalence studies. Marketing network of Ind-Swift Laboratories Ltd. The network is spread in over 50 countries. Europe, USA, Middle East, possess 2 patented molecules with 11 molecules in the offing. Direct presence in global market by a subsidiary in USA, a joint venture in Iran, and branch offices in Dubai and China. Ind-Swift Laboratories Ltd. business encompasses in 6 main regions around the world: North America, the Middle East, East Europe, West Europe, Asia, Latin America, CIS countries, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, Africa. More than 200 products registration globally, another 100 in the pipeline. Key partnerships with some of the largest generic players in Europe and Australia for contract manufacturing and licensing. Approvals from US FDA, UK MHRA, TGA, WHO GMP. Achievements and awards. Deloitte Technology Fast 500 Asia Pacific 2006 Udyog Ratan Award. Udyog Ratan Award for valuable contribution to economic development of Himachal Pradesh. Certificate of Excellence in recognition of exemplary growth and sustainable success. Annual Inc. India 500 Awards. Memberships: CII, FIEO, Pharmexil, IDMA, BDMA. Future targets: targeting new chemicals, entities, novel drug delivery system. To conduct bioequivalence. Dossier preparation in CTD format. Stability data profiling. Pharmacy chain. Chain of diagnostic laboratories.
Not only pharmaceuticals, but with our foresightedness, we have progressively forayed into forward and backward integration and diversification. At Ind-Swift, we will continue to push forward to break new boundaries and to seize emerging opportunities in research, design and implementation for the welfare of humanity.
Our diversifications: 3M Advertisers and Publishers Limited, Mansa Print and Publishers Limited, Swift Group of Colleges, Fortune Lands Limited are our 4 diversified companies. 3M Advertisers and Publishers Limited, established in 2002 under the flagship of Ind-Swift Group 3M Advertisers and Publishers Limited, has emerged as a leading and exceptional publication house engaged in printing and publication of pharma, medical, lifestyle magazines and books. Publications under 3M Advertisers and Publishers Limited, Trends in Medical World, a quarterly medical magazine, Pharma Buzz, a monthly pharmaceutical magazine, Ayurvedic Drug Index, a quarterly herbal, Agrovet Buzz, a bi-monthly agriculture and veterinary magazine, Tri-City Calling, a monthly lifestyle magazine, Clinical Research Book. Future plans include regional and national daily newspaper, children's segment, medical book segment, 24/7 channel for corporates, event management, IT web portal and website development and search engine optimization. Ind-Swift Group, by virtue of its strong business acumen, has put a step in the field of packaging by the name of Mansa Print and Publishers Limited. With its inception in 2003, MPPL divisions include Stationery, Packaging and Publishing and Aluminium Division. The stationery unit is a new venture of Mansa with introduction of multifarious products, that is hardbound, softcover, logbook, Virospiro, notepads, multi-subjects, etc. We take pride in possessing one of the best state-of-the-art packaging powerhouse with a covered area of 100,000 square feet fully dedicated to manufacturing of paper packaging with a current capacity to print 500,000 sheets per day, matching fabrication. Our manufacturing facilities are sufficient to print 9 color print jobs, leaf printing, lamination, UV coating, die cutting, paper cutting, box pasting, corrugation, bookbinding. Its future plans are state-of-the-art lamitube manufacturing unit with an investment of 25 crore rupees, flexible packaging unit with an investment of 25 crore rupees, plastic recycle unit with 15 crore rupee investment, white paper printing paper mill with 350 MTD with an investment of 400 crore rupees. Swift Group of Colleges. Swift Group of Colleges is established under the aegis of Swift Fundamental Research Society, SFRES. SFRES is a society which was conceptualized in 2005 with a vision to be premier educational and research institution by endowing the individuals with industry-specific professional skills through evaluation, dissemination and application of knowledge, thereby inculcating outstanding leadership and dedication in their blood. The state-of-the-art infrastructure is spread over 47 acres and well-equipped with modern facilities like smart classrooms, computer labs, e-library, air-conditioned hostels, sports facilities, transportation facility from various locations. To impart world-class education, we have a collaboration with foreign universities for nursing and engineering courses, thus providing education to future professionals which is globally accepted. Schools under Swift Group of Colleges are Swift School of Pharmacy, approved by AICTE and affiliated to Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. Swift School of Nursing, affiliated to Baba Farid University of Health Sciences and collaboration with Bedfordshire University, UK. Offers unique course being introduced for the first time in Northern India in collaboration with the University of Bedfordshire, UK. Under this, the GNM pass students will have the opportunity to upgrade graduation in the span of 1 year by enrolling. 4 months classroom teaching will be completed in India and 8 months at the University of Bedfordshire, UK. Swift Institute of Engineering and Technology. Collaboration with Coventry University, UK. This is the first ever collaboration with a foreign university for undergraduate courses of engineering in India. Under these undergraduate courses, students will study all 3 or 4 years in SIET in India and get a degree of Coventry University, which is globally accepted. Swift Institute of Management, affiliated to Punjabi University Patiala and collaboration with 4 different UK universities. Future plan of SGOC, deemed university by 2015. Fortune Lands Limited. Ind-Swift Group has made its mark in the construction industry by the name of Fortune Lands Limited. Its maiden project, Regalia Tower, is a multi-crore project comprising of 350 flats, 2 and 3 bedrooms, penthouses in the vicinity of Chandigarh. A very first venture in construction business, it proved to be an individual profit center with sale of almost 70% of the flats in the first phase. Future plans: hotels, motels and resorts. Commercial Complex. Ind-Swift Ltd. Future group plans are power plant with 20 megawatts, medical college and 500-bedded general hospital, super speciality hospital 250 bedded, paper mill with printing capacity of 350 metric tons, retails. At Ind-Swift, our primary principles deal in making utmost healthcare facilities for making a healthier and greener future. We at Ind-Swift believe in bridging the opportunistic present and bright future. Ind-Swift Group